A new report claims that Iran's new supreme leader is seriously injured but remains mentally sharp. In fact, he has remained in the shadows since the US-Israeli airstrike killed his father, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. According to the New York Times, he was gravely injured in the same strike on the 28th of February, reportedly. His wife and son, remember, were also killed in the strike, and since then he remains in secrecy in a way, surrounded mostly by a team of doctors and medical staff, reportedly. And the report further says that the president, Masoud Pezeshkian, who is also a heart surgeon, has been involved in his care. However, senior commanders of the guards and senior government officials do not visit him, fearing that Israel may trace them to him and kill him. In fact, the report is based on interviews with senior Iranian officials, members of the Revolutionary Guards and a senior cleric. It says that the leader has reportedly undergone multiple surgeries. The report says one leg was operated on 3 times and he may need a prosthetic. He is slowly regaining functioning in one hand, reportedly. The report also points to serious facial burns, leaving him unable to speak publicly. He may need plastic surgery eventually, reportedly. Despite the injuries, officials claim Khamenei remains mentally alert and engaged. Communication is said to be routed through written messages, reportedly. These handwritten messages are reportedly sealed in envelopes and relayed via a human chain from one trusted courier to the next. The official cited in the report said Khamenei has not recorded a video or audio message because he does not want to appear vulnerable or sound weak in his first public address, reportedly. And he has issued written statements that have been posted online and read on state television, reportedly. His medical condition and safety concerns, meaning in a way that several key tasks are delegated to a collective of commanders in the IRGC, reportedly. The report coming as US President Donald Trump is also painting a picture of a fractured leadership in Iran. He has repeatedly said that there is no clarity on who is in charge in Iran, blaming it for stalled talks.
Part of the problem is that, that's why I can't really answer your question, they have all new leadership and they're fighting like cats and dogs for who's going to control. Because we've created a real mess for them, but they've created a mess for the world over the last 47 years. They've killed a lot of our people.
But Iran's leaders have responded by presenting a united front under the new leader's leadership. The Iranian president, parliament speaker and chief justice all posted a nearly identical message on social media. The message basically said that there are no hardliners or moderates in Iran, ending with a message of one God, one nation, one leader and one path, quote unquote. President Trump has said that the war, along with the killings of layers of Iran's leaders and security establishment, has ushered in regime change and that the new leaders are much more reasonable, he has said. However, the reports claiming that the Iranian leadership has turned more adamant and less flexible, reportedly. It says power is now in the hands of an entrenched hardline military who view the war as an existential crisis, reportedly. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.